The beginning of my senior year marked an increased pressure to have my life after graduation all figured out, but it also marked the culmination of a project I'd been working on all summer. Last September, alongside 150 Philadelphians of all ages and dance backgrounds, I performed a 30-minute dance on the iconic steps of the Philadelphia Museum of Art. The performance itself was a lot of fun, but it was really the 3 months of rehearsal and the friendships I made along the way with people of all life stages that brought perspective and balance to my senior year. I met Sasha, a few years older than me, who was studying for her master's in mental health counseling. Fergie, a paralegal and Zumba instructor in her 30s. Nancy, a special ed teacher in her 60s who was just starting a new job. And Cliff, a retired man who loved wearing tie-dye and who gives bike tours of Philadelphia. These friendships helped ground me during my senior year and made me truly realize that graduation and a first job are not the be-all and end-all of my journey. We all benefit from the perspectives we gain when we form relationships outside of our usual social bubbles, and I will continue to do just this as I move on to rabbinical school in New York City.